How many of you guys knew there is a distributor conversion kit for LS engines? This has got the catalog from Summit Racing, and here it is for $375, which seems pretty cheap. And I guess it uses a Ford distributor. That looks amazing. Now you could run a distributor with the carburetor if you want, and have your LS looking real old school with minimal electronics. No sensors, no ECU. That looks like a game changer for the old school hot rodders. And you could add a mechanical fuel pump to it. So you could run a carburetor with a mechanical fuel pump and the Ford distributor. That's sick. That's gonna keep the LS real simple. No wires all over the place. No having to rely on all types of sensors. No fuel injectors. Will it make less power? Maybe. But I could almost guarantee you it will have better throttle response.